how to show or hide Samsung or Google calendars on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the apps screen. Then tap on calendar. Next, tap on the menu key at the top. From the pop-out, scroll down, and then you want to expand the Samsung account. From here, you can tap on Samsung calendar to show or hide the calendar. Now you can do the same thing for your Google account. So expand the Google account, then tap on the Google calendar. So when the checkbox is selected, it will include the calendar events detail in your main calendar. Otherwise, you can deselect it to hide the calendar. And that is how you can show or hide your Samsung or Google calendar. Now, if your Google account is not shown in the list here, you can tap on Manage Calendars. And from here, you can tap on Add, and you can add in your Google or Samsung account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.